Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the wild world of online shopping, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic spot for deals on everything from vintage furniture to the latest gadgets. But before you hit that buy button, you want to make sure the seller is legit. In this video, we'll walk you through how to check seller reviews on the Facebook Marketplace app in 2025. It's quicker and easier than ever, thanks to some handy updates from Facebook. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. 2025 brings some slick improvements for better user safety. Open the app on your phone and tap the Marketplace icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. It's that shopping bag or marketplace symbol you can't miss. Once you're in Marketplace, start by searching for what you're after. Type in keywords like used laptop or browse categories to find listings. When you spot something you like, tap on the listing to open the details page. Here, you'll see photos, descriptions, and the price, but don't stop there. Now, look for the seller's name or profile picture on the listing. Tap it to visit their profile. In 2025, Facebook has made reviews more accessible, so scroll down or look for a dedicated Reviews or Ratings tab. This section shows feedback from past buyers, including stars, comments, and even response rates from the seller. Take a moment to read through the reviews. Look for patterns. Are there complaints about late shipping or positive notes on communication? This can save you from potential headaches and help you make a smart decision. If reviews aren't available, that might be a red flag, so consider reaching out to the seller or skipping the deal. A quick tip: always verify the seller's profile for authenticity, like checking if they've been active for a while. And remember, Facebook's enhanced safety features in 2025 might include badges for verified sellers, so keep an eye out for those. There you have it. Checking seller reviews is straightforward and can make your marketplace experience much safer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. See you next time.